everyone, welcome back. I am Richa Gupta and in this video I am going to show you how to make rasgulla. Let's start. So first let's make our syrup. For the syrup we need 300 ml of water. In that 1 whole cup of sugar. Give it a good mix. Keep it on low flame. Cook it on low flame. And our syrup should be thin. Let it cook. Meanwhile, we will make our rasgullas. So for making our rasgullas, here I have taken 200 gram of homemade paneer. In that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of maida. And half teaspoon of cornflour. I am adding this because this helps in binding. So now let's mix it and make a soft dough. So here my dough is ready. Apply some ghee on your hands and make small balls of it. Something like this. Let's make another one. So here all paneer balls are ready. Now we are going to add this in our sugar syrup. So now I am adding some saffron strands in our syrup. If you don't have, it's okay. You can, it's optional. Now let's add our balls. Cover it with a lid and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes on low medium flame. 15 minutes are over. Now let's check our rasgullas. Our rasgullas are ready. Let's switch off the flame and serve. Let's serve. This space. Our rasgullas are ready. See, these are very soft and spongy, and believe me, it tastes yummy. If you want, you can freeze it for some time and then eat. Let's garnish it with some strands of saffron. Enjoy!